You're welcome. You are here to see our portfolio. Great. But first, because you are about to make most common mistake when a client is looking for an architect or designer, let me tell you what you should know first. The truth is, most common problems on site happening because of architects and designers. Do you know what the most common issues are in new construction and renovation? Think back. From your own experience or from your closest friends, all the time budgeting issue, unexpected cost increases, design style overriding client preferences, ignoring client lifestyle or needs, unbuildable or overly complicated design, delays in the project timelines, not educating the client on the process, not being aware of the challenges ahead, minimal technical details and unrealistic design presentations, limited involvement during execution, poor collaboration, lack of clarity on designer's role, lack of pricing transparency, and many others. So, the main problem isn't about style or nice idea, right? It's about how to create a buildable design that fits your needs, lifestyle, or brand, and also fits your budget or any other goal you have. And now, you're asking me, can I see your portfolio? Look around. Hundreds of Instagram nice pictures, thousands of beautiful images on Pinterest, and AI generating wild idea in seconds. Think, are you looking for inspiration or for a professional service? Another common question, can I see your style? Here is what you need to understand. Design is not based on my dream, it's not my style, not my taste or vision. Believe me, professional design follow strong rules. Lighting, colors, materials, style, combination, product knowledge, ergonomics, space planning, engineering, architectural codes. Knowing these rules allows the designer to create beautiful, functional spaces in any style for any destination. Steve Jobs said, "Design is not what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works." Hope you got the idea. And now I can show you some of our projects. Because we do most of our projects in high-end class, just like yours will be. We protect the privacy of our clients. If you are looking to see our projects, down below this video there is a link or a form where you can apply to have private access to our work. Or you are welcome to visit us for a meeting at our office. Hope I changed your attitude into choosing professional service for your next real estate investment. Good luck!